You step on the gas pedal expecting a strong surge of power to merge onto the highway, but your engine falls completely flat on its face, burning through fuel while giving you absolutely zero performance in return. If your diagnostic scanner reveals a code P2071, your powertrain control module has detected that the intake manifold tuning valve on engine bank 1 is stuck completely closed. Bank 1 simply refers to the side of the engine block that houses cylinder number 1. To understand why this kills your power, you need to know how the intake manifold breathes. Inside the manifold, there is a long metal shaft with multiple metal flaps attached to it, very similar to tiny throttle plates. When you step on the gas, the engine computer sends an electrical signal to an actuator motor or a vacuum solenoid to open these flaps. This action regulates the volume of air entering the engine and creates a violent swirling motion, like a miniature tornado, which perfectly atomizes the fuel for a massive, efficient explosion in the combustion chamber. When that tuning valve gets stuck in the closed position, your engine is essentially trying to run a marathon while breathing through a tiny drinking straw. The symptoms are awful, ranging from terrible fuel economy to lean or rich exhaust codes because the air-to-fuel mixture is completely thrown out of balance. While a faulty electronic actuator motor is a common culprit, the mechanical side is usually to blame. Years of oily crankcase vapors and exhaust gas recirculation can coat the inside of your intake manifold with a thick, sticky layer of black carbon. This sludge acts like heavy-duty glue, physically jamming the flaps and binding the internal linkage so tightly that the actuator motor simply cannot turn the shaft. Before buying expensive electrical parts, locate the external linkage on the side of the intake manifold and try to move it smoothly by hand. If it feels completely seized, you are going to need some heavy-duty intake cleaner to dissolve that carbon. If the mechanical linkage moves freely, grab your digital volt-ohm meter and verify that the actuator motor is actually receiving its proper voltage and ground signals from the powertrain control module.